Do a horse.
I can't do a horse with a shit.
Do a barking. No. The owl. No.
I don't know, my throat, my nose is all stuffed up, so it sounds different.
The howling noise you just did.
Do the sheep again.
Dude. What are you doing? A cat? That's not a cat.
Do an elephant again.
Yeah, do an elephant. You're good at the elephant. I love you. Do a bird.
Oh, you guys are recording this, you fuckers.
Let's hear it.